Hello guys, so today we are going to compare these pools, like first is pool in unmineable, 2 miners and ether miners, and what is the threshold value of these pools, which coin you can mine, how you can mine on these pools. So that we are going to discuss on this video. So make sure you can continually watch the full video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the like button. So let's go. So hello guys, that is our first pool, poolin.com. Let's check daily revenue, how much you can earn from 24 mega hash. So here I have typed 24 mega hash and we can earn 0.00059 ethereum. For connecting this pool, you can use these pool address. For encrypted mining URLs, you can use this. So here you can mine Ethereum, JDC, Zen, LTC and lots of coins here. So for Ethereum you can use ETH algorithm. Now let's go for unmineable pool. Here you can see I have uploaded many videos on unmineable. You can watch my videos on YouTube. So here in 24 hours we can earn 0.00048 Ethereum per day. Note that result may vary, it may be increases or it may be decreases more. Here we can earn 0.00059, but the minimum threshold payout is 0.2 Ethereum. Here the minimum threshold payout is 0.01. But the big difference in pooling or unmineable is you can mine that coins that is not mineable. Here you can see Solana, 1 inch, lots of coins are available there. For this you don't need to trade for converting your Ethereum to another coins. You just go and select your coin which you want to mine. So that is the profitable area from unmineable, but the minimum but the daily revenue is low, and here you can see 0.00059. Now let's go to another pool, that is 2 miners. Here you can see the minimum payout is 0.005, but the payout fees are covered by the miner, so you have to pay for withdrawing your Ethereum. So that is the big difference here. So you can see here a lot of coins are available for their different algorithms. You can see ETH algorithm for Ethereum, Raven for Cowpow, Ethereum Classic ETH, you can use ETH for Ethereum Classic, Random Max and lots of algorithms here. So now let's go how you can mine from 2 miners pool. So simply here lots of tutorials are present. Let's go for Ethereum. So you just need to change the server address from your region, accordingly from your region. If you are belongs to Asia, then you can use this. And first you need to create a wallet address, so you can use any wallet address like Binance. You can also use Binance, and you can use software, any software like T-Rex, LOL Miner and lots of software are present. So now let's go to our next pool, that is ethermine. So you can mine from ethermine, that you can see the server address are lots of server address are there. So for if you are belongs to Asia or Europe, you can use their relatively server address and their port address. So you can use, these are the miners of list, but the minimum payout is, so by default in ethermine ORG by default it is settled to 1 Ethereum, that is very big, but you can set it down to 0.01 Ethereum. So for this you go to setting and click on payment method. Here you can see the gas price limit and threshold. The payment threshold in the ether minimum is 0.01, so you can set 0.01. So that's it for the pools. You can choose your pools accordingly. So if you want to mine the coins which is not mineable, so you can use unmineable, but you can see the daily revenue is 0.004. If you want to mine on a pool, the minimum threshold payout is 0.2. So that's it for today, and thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.